Ga ako umaattend sa hearings. Why? Why would I answer to a speaker implicated in a bribery case on record in a court case? Why would I answer? Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko alam bakit member pa ito ng House of Representatives convicted of child abuse, taking IP children doon sa amin sa Davao City, dadalhin sa Manila. Why would I answer to a member of the House of Representatives na merong utang sa aking husband ng 9 million dahil sa isang case? Why would I answer to a member of the House of Representatives na ang tatay niya mismo nagsasorry sa ginagawa ng anak niya? Alam niyo, hindi pa umabot sa buhay ko na nagsorry ang tatay ko kanino man sa ginawa ko. Pero this member of the House of Representatives, tinetext ako ng tatay, I'm sorry. So why would I answer to him? Nagsorry yung tatay, ibig sabihin may ginagawang mali yung anak. Diba? So why would I answer to them?